Hi, potato. Good evening. Can you hear teacher? Hi.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's been a while that I didn't see you, potato. How are you today?
I'm great.
You're great. Well, that's good to hear. You are great. Oh, are you tall now? You're tall now?
So,
Yes. Did you miss me?
yeah.
Oh, I miss you too, potato. All right. So, potato, listen. I am using Zoom. So, 7:30, the Zoom will end and then you come back just like last time, okay? Okay?
Okay.
All right. So,
Okay.
yeah. So, let me share to you the screen, potato, so we can start with our lesson this evening, okay? So here
Yeah.
we go. So potato, I gave you starters already. Okay? This is starters,
Yes.
not already level 2. Okay, let me share to you. What is this on the screen, potato? Can you tell teacher? What is on the screen? What is this?
Letter in the alphabet.
Very good. These are letters. Again, letters.
Letters.
In the alphabet. Correct. Potato, how many letters can we see in the alphabet? How many letters? Naku, naku.
Con xem có bao nhiêu từ tiếng Việt? Bao nhiêu từ? Latin bao nhiêu?
Okay, count. How many letters do we have in the English
13.
alphabet?
Không, tôi
30?
trả lời 19.
Oh,
13.
how many?
31.
31. Oh, that's too many. 31 is too many. It's just only 20 something. It's 20. What is this? It's 20.
21.
How many letters? 20?
26.
Very good. So in the English alphabet, potato, there are only 26 letters. And these letters are from letters A to Z. Okay, you know letters, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now here, I have here the first word, potato. What's the first word? We have, what's this?
Name.
Name. What is your name? What's your name?
Potato.
Very good. Next, second word. What is this? It's an animal. What is this? A goat. Okay, correct. It's a goat. And this one, what is this?
And a sheep.
It's a sheep. Very good. A goat and a sheep. Okay, you know goat and sheep, right? You know this too, right? Do you know this? Do you know these animals? Goat and sheep? You know this? Yeah? You know this, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Okay. How about this word? What is this? It's a, what's this? This is
Duck.
duck, correct. Next one, what is this? This is a
This frog.
frog, correct. This one, what is this?
Fish.
Fish, correct. So we have duck, frog, and fish. Okay, next one. What is this word? This is a
Dog.
dog, and we have a
Cat.
cat. Okay, dog and a cat. Okay, next one. What is this? It's a
Spider.
spider. And next is we have
Snake.
Snake. All right. Okay, snake and spider. Now here, I have here a question. What is your name?
My name is Potato.
Okay, very good. My name is Potato. How do you spell your name, Potato? How do you spell it? What are the letters of the word potato?
Letter
P.
P.
Let P next. Letter P. Next. Potato. What's next?
Potato.
Okay. What are the other letters of the word potato? P. Next.
P. M.
Huh? Letter?
Letter P.
Oh, there is letter P already. What's next to letter P? Next to letter P. P.
P. P R.
P R?
P R.
Like that?
P R.
It's O again.
P O.
Oh, next. P O. Next. Letter
A.
A. Potato. Letter T. Next.
A.
A. Next. Next. Potato. How do you spell to? Letter T. Letter T. And letter O. Again. Potato. How do you spell your name? P.
P. P O. T. I. T. O.
Very good. Potato. Okay, correct. Very good, very good. Okay, that is how we say to spell the name. Okay, next. Here. What are the missing letters in the alphabet? Oh, what's next to letter B? Missing letters. Can you tell me what are the missing letters? Oh, what letter is this? A.
T.
Letter C. Next.
G.
G. Next.
H.
Oh, there's H. G,
K.
H,
K.
K. Very good. Next. L, M. Next is letter. What's the next letter? We have letter. Yeah, what's that letter? What should be right on that line? What letter?
B, C, D, E, S, I, J, K, L, M, O.
Oh, there is O already. We have O. O is not the missing letter. What do you think is the missing letter? Letter.
L, M, N, O.
Oh, there's O already. O is not missing. What's next to letter M? M.
J, K, L, M, N.
Very good. Letter N. Letter O. Next.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,
P,
I,
Q.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R.
What's next?
Where's me?
Okay, I'll wait for you. What letter is that? Letter?
R.
What's wrong? Letter R. Again.
R.
Next.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P
All right, the missing letters.
S T U V.
Okay, right. All right, the missing letters. Oh, next to letter X is S.
J K M M N O P Q R S T U V.
Try to write X. What's next to letter X? It's not S.
S
X.
X.
What's next?
What?
Oh, this one, potato, this one. It's not letter S. Change that one. That's not the correct answer. Yeah. What letter is that?
X.
X. There is X already. Look, oh, there is letter X. This one is X.
F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W N Y.
What letter?
Y.
Very
Y.
good. Okay, how do you write? Write letter Y.
I don't know.
Oh, Y, it's like this. Oh, small slanted and a big one. Okay, letter Y. All right, very good, potato, because you were able to write the missing letters. We have here, these are, I have here color. What's the first color, potato? First color is?
S.
What is this?
Right.
Gray. Let's see if it's gray. Very good. Next color.
Green.
Green. Very good. Next color.
Red.
Red. Very good. And the next one. Potato. Next one.
Blue.
Blue. Okay, we have gray, green, red, and blue. Okay, so here, let's know your letters. So I have here 3 letters, potato. Look at here. What are these letters? Letter A. Again. A.
A.
Next. What's this? Second one. H. Again. H. And letter? What's next?
K.
K. Okay. So these letters all share an A sound. A, H, K. Oh, it has an A sound. Next. How about this E sound? What letter is this? Letter B. Again?
D.
C. E. Next.
C D E
G.
H I J K L M N A B C D E F G.
Correct. Next to G. What letter is next to G?
Queen.
P. Next to P.
B.
T. Next to T. Letter?
B.
Very good. So imagine, look at there. It has an E sound. It has an E sound.
E.
Oh. Okay, next. Next set of letters. It has an S sound. What are the letters with an S sound? F. Again.
F.
Next.
F.
Next. What's next to F?
L.
L. Next. What's next?
M.
M. Next. What's this?
N.
N, correct. Next.
S.
S, very good. Next. What letter?
W.
Oh, it's not W. It's not the W. It's letter
S.
Okay, so these letters share an S sound. F, L, M, N, S, and X. It has A. Okay, next. This one, potato, it has a U sound. Okay, U sound. Ha! What's the name of your brother? What's the name of brother? Brother's name? Putin. Oh, hi, Putin. Putin is already a big boy. Hi. Hi, Putin. Putin is already a big boy like brother Potato. Oh, he wants to learn also. Okay. All right. Potato. How about letters with an A sound? What letter is this? What letter is this?
What?
What letter is this? It has an A sound. What's this letter? Letter?
Letter A.
Oh, it's I again. I.
I.
And this one is letter? That one is letter?
I.
Y again. I and letter Y. Okay, very good. It has an A sound. All right, so a while ago, or this one, helps us learn how to pronounce the words or the letters
What?
correctly, okay? It pronounces the letters. It teaches us how to pronounce correctly, okay? Let's move now. Let's move. Okay, I have here. Okay, what are the letters in a brown?
Yeah. 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 I.
Okay, what are the letters? Potato? A. Potato, what are the letters? Pronounce the letters properly. A. Next. What's next? What's next? A. Oh, you say it. You say it. You say it. A. H. Again. Again. A. H.
H.
Next. What's next? K. Again. K. K and
K N G.
J. Again, J.
Yay.
Very good. Next. Next, listen. Oh, I agree.
Cô đã bảo lý đến đâu?
Okay, Potato, what are the green letters? Potato, what are the green letters?
C.
Next.
G,
Next.
B,
Next. What else? G.
C,
Okay.
E,
E.
E,
All right. These are the green letters. Next.
let me, T,
Okay. What are the red colored letters? Potato, what are the red colored letters? We have
H,
H. Next. Oh, there's no H. There's no H in the red.
S,
S. What else?
and F,
Okay, next. L.
N, F,
Okay, F. What else? What else?
J, J,
There's no J. Color
M,
red only. Okay. We have S.
M,
M. Yeah, M is the red color. What else? Is there more?
N,
Okay, N. All right. So M, N, L, X, D, S, and F are color red. Very good. Next.
N, L,
Okay, what are the blue
U,
colors? U,
Q,
and
P,
U. P? There's no P.
Q, N,
And color blue. What are the
and
color?
Y.
It's not letter Y. It's what letter? It's
O, G, K. We.
it's W again. It's W.
W.
Yeah, W. That is the blue one. Okay, next. Okay, next. Number 5.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. What are the purple color letters? Purple colored letters, Potato. We have that's not E, it's I again. I and Y again. I and Y are purple colors. Very good. Next. Okay. Potato. What are the letters with no color? No colored letters. We have
O.
O and what else? O and
E, S, I, T. R.
R. Very good. So the no colored letters we have here are O and R. Very good. You got it. Okay. How about Potato? What are the colors of your name? Letter P. Potato. What color is letter P? What color is letter P,
Okay.
Potato?
Let me.
Okay.
May banana ko. Oh. T. T. Here.
Okay, what else? P, what color is letter P? Again, P is green. O is what letter? What color is letter O?
Here.
Okay, what color? No color, right?
Here.
Next, letter T. What color is letter T?
Here. Here.
Okay, what color is that? Color? Tell me the color. Color?
Color.
Letter T is color. What color is letter T? Green. Correct. Next, potato. Letter A. What color is letter A?
Red.
A is red. Look at that. Gray. Letter A. A. A is color.
Is color.
Yeah. A is color. Gray. Can you see the gray color A? Can you see it?
No.
Oh, you didn't see it. Look at here. This is the color gray A. Okay, next. Letter T and again, letter O. So those are the letters of your name, potato. Okay? Right. Okay, next. All right. Here, potato. Draw a red line going from letter A to Z from the baby spider to its dad. Okay, but before that, potato, you enter again, potato. My Zoom is about to close. Potato, enter again, okay?
Okay. But
Okay,
with me.
okay. I'll wait for you. Okay, you enter again. This Zoom will be closed.